and welcome to this video on how to add and subtract polynomials. Now, when we add and subtract polynomials, the key thing we want to do is combine like terms. We're going to be looking for terms that are similar, and then we are going to combine them. So let's take a look at this addition problem here. Here I have a polynomial plus a polynomial. This has 3 terms, and this also has 3 terms. And basically, we just need to add these together. So I'm going to be looking for things that are similar. So here we have an x squared term. And in this polynomial, we also have an x squared term. And so those can be added together. If I had 3x squareds plus another 5x squareds, you would get 8x squareds. Now notice when we add polynomials, we are not changing the exponents. We simply are changing the coefficient that's in front. Okay, what else is like terms? Here we have 4x and negative 7x. We can combine those because those are both x's. It's basically saying I have 4 x-rays minus 7 x-rays. Well, that means I'm going to be left with negative 3 x-rays. We then can combine the numbers. Here I have negative 7 plus 1, so it's going to be minus 6. And this right here is going to be our answer when we are adding those 2 polynomials together. Let's try another one, but let's do subtraction this time. Let's say I had 4x squared plus 7x minus 9, and I wanted to subtract that from 7x squared minus 4x plus 2. Now, whenever you're doing subtraction, we highly recommend that you distribute the negative first. Because this is minus, all of these need to be minus. And so we would distribute the negative into each value of the second polynomial. That would give us 4x squared plus 7x minus 9 minus 7x squared plus 4x minus 2. Notice that all the signs change because we were minusing it. Then we need to combine the like terms. So let's see what combines. Here we have 4x squared and minus 7x squared. That's going to be a negative 3x squared. I'm then going to combine the x's. 7x and 4x. Well, that comes out to be 11x. And last but not least, these numbers here, negative 9 minus 2 is negative 11. So basically, we turned it into an addition problem by distributing the negative through. And then we combine the like terms. Okay, let's have you try a few problems. Okay, so here are 3 problems for you to try. Go ahead and pause the video now. Give these a try. Work on adding these polynomials together and combining the like terms. And in number 3, you'll have to subtract the polynomials. Good luck. When you're ready to review and see if you did it right, push the unpause button. Okay, let's do it. Question number 1. I need to combine the like terms. So here I have 2x squared and 5x squared. So 2x squared and 5x squared, that would be 7x squared. And here we have 5x minus an x. So if I have 5 x-rays minus 1 x-ray, I'm going to be left with 4 x-rays. And here, negative 11 plus 1. So negative 11, and then I go to the right one, so that would be minus 10. So that would be my answer for the first one when I combine the like terms. Again, on number 2, I got to combine like terms. 4x cubed and 5x cubed, that's going to be 9x cubes. Then, ooh, this is weird. This has a squared, but this one doesn't. Oh! So that's all right. We can't line up anything there, but I am going to write in 2x squared. Those don't add. Here we have 7x and x, so that's plus 8x. And then negative 2 minus 3 would be minus 5. And that's my answer on that one. So on that one, it was a little different because there was no x squared term over here. And so there was nothing to actually add it to, so we just wrote it in right there. Number 3, I'm not going to attempt this problem until I distribute the negative. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to distribute this negative in. That would be negative x squared plus 3x. And when I distribute the negative here, it would be minus 12. So it's always a great idea to distribute the negative first, then combine your like terms. 3x squared minus x squared. So that's 3 minus 1. That's going to be 2x squared. Then let's combine these x's. Negative 4x plus 3x. Well, that's going to be minus 1x. And then 7 minus 12 is going to come out to be a negative 5. And that is how we add and subtract polynomials. Just combine the like terms. If it's subtraction, make sure to distribute the negative first, and then combine your like terms. Thanks for watching.